Hi guys, it's Brookelynne with my channel. So today's video was going to be a spade clean, and yes, I'm in my pyjamas. So I'm just tidying up important toys in the living room, putting them in this crate before hoover the floor, and I'm using my Shark cordless hoover, which I love. So I'm just hoovering up the floor to get rid of any crumbs and stuff that's been left for it the past 2 days, just to make it look nice and neat and tidy and just clean. And this Shark hoover is brilliant. I absolutely love it. It's brilliant for getting into small spots and all the attachments on it. It's quite good. The only bugbear, the charge isn't that great, but I do have a Henry hoover, which is brilliant for like a backup. So yeah. And then just neatening up the sofa, fixing the cushions and stuff, just to make them look nice and presentable. If I could speak, presentable. My husband did change a froze the day before, so I didn't really need to do anything like that, thank the Lord. Just basically neatening it up. And then I'm just going to spray with my squashies air freshener, which I absolutely love. You can get it for £1 in Semichem, and it's amazing. Just spraying around the whole room. I'm using my old battered spray map because my flash map didn't have any liquid left, and yeah, this one isn't working properly. I have to keep on pushing the bottle in to make sure it sprays. Bit of a pain in the bum, but at least it does the job anyway, and I can't wait to get some more liquid from my flash map. So that's amazing. But this one does a good job too. I'm just kind of going over where I've hoovered, just to make the floor like nice and clean and tidy and smell nice. So that's what I'm doing. Living room all done. I did tidy up the bags off camera and wipe down the surfaces using my Sephora lemon spray before we score. Moving on to the wee haul, I did hoover it off camera. I thought I filmed it, but I didn't. It's kind of a blessing in disguise because it's hard to really see where I'm hoovering in the haul because it's hard to get the angles right to get it to show everything. So I am just going over it with my wee map just to make it nice and clean and tidy. On to the kitchen, I'm just starting out doing the dishes and just kind of wiping around all the dishes using my wee dish sponge and washing up liquid, and I am rinsing them after every wash, so just making sure everything's off them. And yeah, just doing the dishes. I have to sped this up really quickly because it is a bit boring watching someone do dishes. I don't know about you, and I am just going to dry them after I've done them. Dishes are done. I'm just gonna use my Sephora lemon spray on all the surfaces with a wee sponge scorer just to wipe down and clean up any kind of crumbs residue on the counters to make them nice and clean, just nice and tidy pretty much as well. I am doing the cooker too, just spraying around the top of it just to make sure it's just all nice and neat and tidy. It's hard to really explain, just nice and clean and tidy. And yeah, I did use my Sephora. And that's the kitchen all done. I did hoover too off camera and mapped it, and yeah, pretty much that's the whole downstairs done. Took me longer than a spade clean because I had other things to do, but yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again for the next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.